night, core,
And what you need, shawty, you know I could be your protector. And if you need a cut, you know I'll be your selector. Never fear, you know I never feel neglect ya. I don't do it for the money alone.
Cool up, my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Melon Mishy. It's been a hot minute since I've made hair content for you guys, which I know you all eat up. But I thought I would come back and try something a little different. If you don't know, I'm not really into the wig game, just because I have a very low hairline, as you can see. And more times than not, it's just really difficult to find someone who can really work on a low hairline and make it look natural. It's not to say that I'm not going to try that in the future, but when my first wig reached out to me to collaborate, I was like, I don't know about you guys, but I have personally seen them all over YouTube. But the wigs that I was most interested in was probably the headband wigs, just because low hairline, and sometimes you just want something that you can just slap on and go. It's not everyday stick down with glue, you know. So I've seen a couple of these videos online, but I just felt like if I was to do a straight out the box review, that's not giving you like an authentic review on the hair, because I would have just tried it there and then rather than for a prolonged period of time. And also, if I'm gonna buy a wig, I want to know about the shedding, I want to know about how easy it is to maintain. So I've actually been using this hair for about 2 weeks now, just so I can give you guys a full honest review, even though this video is sponsored by them. All of the opinions are my own. But if you guys want to see how I rock these super natural curls, such a super natural hairline as well, including how I look after the wig, how I maintain it, how I make the curls pop, then keep on watching. Okay, so before you add any hair to your head, whether it's real or fake, you gotta wash it, okay? So I'm adding hot water into a bath of cold water, just letting the unit get nice and wet. And then I personally like to go in with Lush's Avocado Co-Wash. It's one of the solid co-washes. It smells really good. It's got apple cider vinegar in it. It's got no SLS, and it's got really good slip. So I actually let the ingredients just sit in the hair and do its thing whilst I detangle it, as you guys can see me doing here. The trick for maintaining a curly unit is just treat it like it's your own natural hair, in the sense that you want to take your time when you're detangling, work from the tips to the roots, use really gentle ingredients in the hair, and it's going to last for a lot longer. I repeated the process twice, so I dipped it back into this water, washed it again, and then rinsed it in clean water, and this is the unit once it was done. Your My First Wig package comes with all these little bits and bobs that are super handy for your first unit, including this pink wig stand, so I just placed it on there and started detangling the sections that I separated out before. Now, I'm gonna keep it real, of course, because it's curly hair, it's gonna get a little bit tangled, but this was actually a really easy unit to detangle with very minimal shedding. The whole process took about an hour, and each morning I would spritz my hair for about 5 minutes just to activate the products in the hair. In this clip, I'd just given myself a little trim because I was overdue. I'm getting ready for the install, so I did 2 French braids all the way back just to keep everything nice and flat. You'd also want to separate some hair at the front just to allow your natural hair to blend in with the unit. So once I got the wig cap on, I changed the cornrow into a flat twist. Rather than twisting it in the middle of the section, twist it towards the back so you've got a bit more space to play with at the front with the unit, and so you don't see the flat twist. There's 4 clips in this unit, but I tend to just use the ones at the front and the back just because you've got the headband as well, which is super secure. I'm going in with this edge control. I like this one a lot, you know. It's quite a light hold, but it doesn't flake at all, so I can literally reapply it every single day. And then I'm going in with a hard bristle brush, doing a little light work, baby hairs. Nothing major because I don't have enough space to play with baby hairs like that. You're gonna want to whip out the headscarf, make sure everything is staying in place. I wanted to show you guys the hair whilst it was wet, so I actually re-wet it for this clip, but if you want a bigger, more curly look, then go in with a hairdryer. Don't let it air dry. It gives you much more volume. Took it off, pulled it forwards. Honestly, this is such a quick style, guys. You don't have to worry about your wig going anywhere. Everything's secure. Your hairline is in check. You don't have any leave out as well. Like, the fact that you have the flat twist there means that your hair is still somewhat protected, but you're still looking cute, you know? By all means, you can definitely wear this unit without a headband, but naturally a headband is going to elevate the look. So I'm just showing you guys a couple of headbands that my first wig sent me, just to show you the vibe that's happening. Obviously, each headband is going to give you a different type of feel as well. I loved this green one. I just felt like I was on a beach when I wore it. Like, I felt like I deserved a holiday once I put this headband on my head with these beach waves. Chef's kiss. This has literally been my go-to headband for work. It just matches every outfit, and I just love it. It's just so cute. The amount of white patients that I've had that have been like, oh my god, you have such beautiful hair. I'm just like, sis, I know. They don't need to know this is a wig. And if it's fooling them, then clearly the wig's doing something. Let's get this straight. Yeah, I've been loving this hair. This is definitely gonna be in my just like easy protective style routine when I don't have time to do my braids, but I cannot be bothered to do my natural hair. This wig will be on heavy rotation. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to My First Wigs for sponsoring this video and just getting me more comfortable with wig units with my low hairline. Everything will be linked down below as per usual, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as per usual, and I will see you in the next one.